Supplements and your health. A lot of people these days are trying to make their health better. No matter where you turn, from TV to newspapers, you'll see stories about people and how bad their health actually is. Even though there are many different companies out there that offer vitamins and supplements and claim that they will change your health, you'll need to research what they offer and be sure that you aren't just wasting your money. If you are looking to improve your health, you'll need to eat many different vitamin supplements to find which ones are the best for you. You should look at everything available, and not just try a few to see what happens. Dieting is the ideal place to start, as it can make the most improvements on your health. Dieting can change your body, and make you feel a lot better as well. These days, a lot of people eat way too much sweets and sugar, choosing refined products over healthy food. Even though it isn't a bad thing to enjoy sweets and chocolate, you should never make a habit out of it. You can still enjoy your favorite foods as well, although you should be looking at the healthy benefits of food as well and think of everything as a whole. If you include healthy foods such as salads, vegetables, and fruit into your diet, you'll be eating healthy. Protein is also beneficial to your health, as it promotes the growth of your muscle. Those of you who are serious about eating healthy but are unsure where to start, should contact a nutritionist. They will be able to tell you where to start, and how to achieve a healthy diet that will change your life. Even though you may be eating healthy or trying to eat healthy, you'll probably find yourself wondering about vitamins and supplements and how much of an impact they have on your diet. Dietitians are ideal to consult with these types of questions, as they can answer any questions relating to vitamins that you have. They can also tell you which supplements are ideal for your health, and which ones you should include in your diet. Different people will have different needs and requirements, making it essential to get advice from a qualified professional. If you get the advice from a professional, you'll know what you can add to your diet. If you try to do it all yourself without the advice of a professional, you can end up not getting enough in your diet, or you could end up taking something that you shouldn't be taking. Exercise is also important to your diet and your health. Although supplements and vitamins will go a long way, exercise will do a lot for your body. If you exercise on a regular basis, and take the right supplements and vitamins with your diet, you'll notice that you have more energy and you feel better than you ever have in your life. Before you start with your new diet or rush out and buy your new vitamin supplements, you should always check with your doctor first to see if he has any recommendations. You should also tell him what type of exercise you are planning on doing, and see if there are any complications with your health. Getting a healthy lifestyle is always a great thing, although you should always consult with your doctor. This way, you'll know the best way to start and how to go about getting in the best shape of your life.